I'd like to show you how to explore your careers in your user dashboard. Scroll down to the section that says Explore Your Careers. Every time you see this info icon, if you hover over it, it'll give you more information about that feature. By default, primary and secondary careers are selected. This will show me the primary and secondary careers based upon my CareerFitter work personality assessment. If I would like, I can add more filters to these. I could filter by high school diploma or education requirement. Let's say I wanted everything with a master's degree. From this, it would filter out everything that was a master's degree. If I wanted everything that did not require a degree, just a high school diploma, and I selected this, it would show me everything from this with a high school diploma. And you can add more filters to this. You could filter out things from your A3 assessment. You could also add to high school diploma things that have a much faster than average projected growth. I could say I want a minimum salary of $35,000 a year. All of these filters will be applied at the same time to this master list up here. Now, if I wanted to go beyond what's recommended based upon my assessment, I would select View All Careers. And now this filter, all these filters apply to View All Careers. If I wanted to filter just work remote careers only with all of these filters, now it's filtering every single one of these things and only work remote careers. Or if I wanted to additionally go with only all of these filters plus my favorites, this is the most restrictive filtering. I'm going to go ahead and save travel agent as my favorite. So when I click that, it shows at least one. So it's based upon all of these filters that I've done, it has narrowed it down to this one. And that's how you use the filters to narrow your search further from your CareerFitter assessment results, again, which is your primary and secondary careers up here in the master list. If you just have too many filters and you're not getting enough results, you can always hit the reset filter button and it'll put everything back to 0 and default you to your primary and secondary careers.